Mr. Cho.
You get started, okay? Liana, you get started, okay?
Okay.
I'll come with you later. All right, I give you this hint, okay? I'll let you think about it and come back, okay?
Okay.
It takes some time. You figure it out, okay? Next one, let me have Liana, your turn. You can choose your image. Choose your image. And if you don't have an image, you can download from internet. make it bigger, you become background. You can directly change the property width and height. You don't need to eject, make it, okay.
How do I change the layering?
Hmm?
How do I change the layering order?
Go down, go down here, the depths. Click lower. Yeah. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
You do this one, you go to the bottom, and then this one is one layer lower, one layer lower, one layer upper. It going to top. Okay. Okay, you continue. Okay, I look like you are okay. Belinda, your turn. Belinda, you did not see this the scene that I'm showing. Do you understand or not?
Not really.
This is n equals 3, right? So n equals 3, you get the n by n matrix, right?
Yeah.
That's the first thing. And then what you need to do is the first line, you generate 2 0 and 1 1. So 2 0. So let's assume that you have a running index. This I equals 1. This equals 2. Means this one starting from 2, this one starting from 3. So basically right here you have 2 0 and 1 1. This is 1 0 and 2 number. This is 3 0 0 and 3 numbers. So this number you keep counting down, counting down, counting down. Then you should be able to generate all of these number using 2 for loop. For I equals 1 to 3, and then for I equals 1, you generate 3 minus 1 zeros and 1 1. And then for I equals 2, you generate 3 minus 2 0, that's 1 0, and then starting from 2, deduct to 1, starting from this number, deduct to 1. So you keep doing that, and you will generate every number 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then after that, each one of the number you assign to P++ to the result. Each one of it you assign to, you generate a one-dimensional array that is. Got it?
Okay.
You try to code it, okay? I'm not going to bother you. Take your time.
Okay.
Okay, Liana, your turn. I just make sure you can get started, but right now you need to work harder because in real exam nobody will give you any hint. You have to get used to it. Liana, your Apple. Can you choose an Apple that has the PNG file? Go to outside and get an Apple. Get a PNG file. PNG file. You know why PNG file, not JPEG? What's the difference between PNG and JPEG?
I don't.
Hmm? JPEG, your background would have white color. PNG background is transparent. So if you find a PNG file, then the background will have the apple color. So let's do this. Don't use the apple. That's because your background is red color. So you try to use a green apple PNG. Yeah, and try to see if there's a PNG file that's actually green color. This one may or may not work because you actually download from the site. You need to go to their website to download. It's okay. Try it out first. Yeah, download this one. Property. You actually upload file. This is still not okay. One moment. Let me help you. You need to sign in with a account. It's okay. Don't worry about this. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Let me see. Okay. You go back to the download. Download PNG. Yes. Relax download. Yes. Wait until it's 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you see. Then the apple don't have the background white color. That's better. And you choose green apple, so in the environment of the red apple, you still can see it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you continue. How about Belinda? Your turn. You need to do two for loop. So basically, let's make it simple. You actually from I equals 1 to n, right? You
Yeah.
don't do decrease right here. You don't need this C. Actually, let's do this one. Let's actually using the pointer P. Okay, first one, you need to know about the spaces. How many space you have. So integer space should be equal to space is zero, actually zero, yeah. So your space is actually should be n minus I, right? That's the number of the zero
Zero.
you should have. So for integer I equal, this one should be j now. J equals zero, j less than space, j plus plus. Then your result p plus plus should be equal zero. So you fill in the number of spaces. Okay, so now you want to know about how many you actually want to do the one part. So for integer k equals I, you started from I, then k greater than zero, and then k decrease. And your results b plus plus equals I. No, k. That's it.
Mr. Bishop, there's no S for the.
Hmm?
Yeah, let me fix it. There's
Yeah, typo.
let me just.
92 is wrong. New 95. Semicolon. You have to plan for it, okay? You have to plan for it. This one is not too hard. The P is a one-dimensional index. Keep increasing whenever there is a number you fill in a new number. Keep moving. But the question is what you want to fill into the P, into the result P. Then you need to fill enough number of zero and enough number of the counting down numbers. Okay? You pick up this one, erase and redo, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'll be back. Next one, Liana, your turn. Mouse down is an event, click is an event. And then on the event, you have a function that handle the event. That's called event handler.
明天他是早班晚班。
Vienna, what do you want?
Um,
What do you want to do? It is a multiple screen design, so you need to make sure that you draw on paper, you have screen one, screen two. Here has a button. When you click this button, you jump to here. There's another button, you click, you go back, something like that. You have to link the transition for the multi-screen well before you do other things. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you know it. Okay, I'll be back. Take your time, okay? No rush. Belinda, your turn. Should this have a parenthesis?
I don't think it matters.
Okay, yeah, it's a multiply. They'll do this first, yeah. So you have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then assign to the P plus plus every time.
Oh, oh,
Mm.
This
Mm.
one, okay.
被我洗了。
This one, okay. Put a curly brace in.
I think okay. And then
That's it. Okay, next one.
这是很好的说法，专业。
Okay, Brenda, you think about it, okay? I'm not going to give you hit right now. You take your
Okay.
try to struggle, it's okay. Take your time, no rush. Next one, go to Liana. Liana, testing it before you go for the new functions. Sometimes you finish one function and you test it, making sure you need to run. Okay. Making sure it works, but you do not have an image. Liana, what do you want to do?
Like if apples are like falling and then you have to like hover over them.
If apple is falling, then you need to do what?
Like hover over it to like increase your score.
Okay. So this one is from screen 1 to screen 2. So in the screen 2, you start to play, and your apple is there. You hover over, the score will increase. So you need to have available. You need to have overall available score equals 0 here, and whenever you have hover over, score will increase. Right? No, that's not there. Why you change it to it? No, this one just jump to the screen 2. So you need to have a global variable to keep track of the score. So what you need is, before everything, you need to have a variable for score equals 0. So whenever you actually have this you want to show your score. So your score need to increase whenever you actually click on with the move over. So let's actually test this one. You don't have an image, so you cannot mouse over. Add the image first. Add the image first. So go to your screen tool. Add the image for this one. Otherwise, you cannot click anything.
Again,
Apple, you can put the apple in.
again.
Choose. Yeah. And run and try. Run and try. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So you want to actually clear it. This one, you actually add a new apple label. That's not what you want, okay? So you have a label, so your label is score label. So this one is not using the new label. This one is wrong. It is actually not a text label, not creating a new label. You should, there's a set text, let me see. There is no set text. There's no set text. Oh, there's no set text. You have text label. I don't think they give you the set text yet. So why you need to update the score? Who tell you to do that?
Because it's like when you catch it, it increases the score, or else it would
So
just
let's just do console log then. Okay, so here score 1, okay, 2, 3. After that, it no longer increase. What happened? Why it increase 1, 2, and then okay, it takes some time. It's slow. Let's try again. It took a while before it actually give the score. Okay, you work on it, okay? Right now, actually, this one, the console log would give the data. Okay,
okay.
you continue. This one, Belinda, your turn. Why do you need to check the nums is odd or even?
Um,
If you have
because
2, 3, 2, 1, the maximum mirror is 5. They don't say it's overlap is not okay. It's actually okay. So in a way, many of the assumptions you have is wrong. Why do you need to check it's odd or even? You don't need to check that.
okay.
Bobo, how are you going to solve this problem? Tell me how you approach this problem.
I was going to do like closing in. So
Before you do coding in, what you want to do? I think you missed something. The first thing you need to have a helper function. And this helper function deal on the array so that you have this regular one starting and ending, 2 index. And then here you had a middle one, the starting and ending. So this part and this part, you should have a function called is mirror. It's mirror to check this, and this is mirror. You return true if this one is 1, 2, 3. Here is 3, 2, 1. You need to have this function first. Then your window, your mirror window can go from here to the whole thing. As long as the window size is okay. You should try every possible window. Overlap is allowed here. Is that okay?
yeah.
Design its mirror first, making sure you given 4 index, the starting index and ending index of a subarray, and the starting index and ending index of another subarray, and these 2 parts are part of the array, and both of them are mirror to each other. You need to have that helper function first before you go to the larger scale design. Okay, try it.
Okay.
By the end of your turn, Yeah, now what do you want to do? Hello?
Like make it so that um after a few times of like being over the green apple, like a red apple appears, but you're not supposed to like click on it.
So if they overlap, you are not able to click on it. What do you want to do? Can you say it again?
Like you're supposed to click on the green apple, but when a red apple appears, you're not supposed to click on it.
When you have the green apple show up, then
You're supposed to click on it,
click on
but then
it. If it's red
but when
apple,
but when the red one shows up, you're not supposed to.
you're not supposed to. Mm. But your apple should be the same apple or different apple.
Different.
Say you have an apple and you are randomly jumping over everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So when it's green, you click on it, you will jump to another location. But when it is red, then you cannot click on it.
Yeah.
Then what will you do if it's red?
If um if it's red, then
What do you want to do?
or have like both a green and red apple, but only click on the green one, and if you click on the red one, it's like game over.
Okay. So this one, so you do not need this one. You click on the green one, green will go ever somewhere. You don't need to score. So you have the image two. So this image two, you need to work on this image two. So if image two, then you actually say you image two, then set screen to screen three, game over screen. So you need to create a new screen, say screen three first. So create a new screen.
Yeah, I did.
And then in the sphere, you put a game over label right here. Label. And write game over. Just for now, you just want to show it that you have a game over. Make a bigger font and change color. Too much, too much. The font size too much. Yeah, make it bigger, a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay. Now you have this, and then you go to your code. Just go to your code. Yeah, and then this one, when you have a set screen three, that's it. Okay. Then try. Try the program. Click on the green. Yeah. Okay, now click on the red. That's it. Game over. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you continue. Okay. Go back to Brita. Brita, your turn. So you have array ARR star 1, star 2, okay, and then you actually you have a E2. Why you actually use E2? Don't use E2 to do deduction. You use a different
What's-
pointer P. So right here, integer P equals E2, and then P minus minus. You don't want to change P2 because P2 sometimes if you need to use it later, you will be in trouble. Okay, so P, so here P. Yeah, so you have this function. Now you use this function. Let's assume you have this function and use this function to design maximum meter, to find the maximum meter you have. So right now you have a function that can detect some letter here, some number here, some number here. You can detect whether they are meter or not in the array. And then how can you detect the maximum meter? The maximum meter that you have in the array.
The maximum.
Mm-hmm.
It'll probably just be like the first one you see if you close in on it.
No, that's closing is wrong. Let's assume that you have 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. The
Oh, you start
maximum,
from the middle?
no, you actually check the maximum equals 5. Maximum equals n dot length, the a dot length. The next one possible is 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, let's assume that it actually is. The maximum is, next possible is 4. So next one you may have a, let's see, let me see. So you start from maximum equals n. If n you cannot find the maximum meter, you try n minus 1. If n minus you cannot do it, you try n minus 2 until 1 that give you the meter. So D4 is 0. If you cannot find any meter, it's 0.
Okay, so
So you go from maximum n is like the whole thing compared with the whole thing. If it's actually reverse, then you will have maximum meter at that. And second one is you actually compare 4 to 4. Okay. That's the second largest meter that you have. Then if not, you compare 3. So go down from n, the maximum down to 0. Okay, take your time. That's the hint I can give you. Ariana, your turn.
Mr. Cho, can I go use the bathroom?
Yeah, it's okay. We are almost done. You can actually, if you want to dismiss, you can be dismissed. But what happened is your part, I don't want to rush you right now. So if you cannot solve it, it's okay. Just take your time to think about it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You need to come up with the answer by yourself. You cannot rely on other people to always give you the idea. Now you need to have your own idea. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good night then.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I don't know how to make it so that the red apple moves even when I don't touch it.
Even if you don't touch it, then
Then it still moves around, but
yeah, it
now it's
move
just
around.
staying
So
still.
yeah, so when you click the green apple, you do random on this one and this one, both.
I did, but the red's not moving unless I touch it, but I can't touch it.
No, go back to your function. So you set position image 2. Now you are clicking on it. You need to put it on the image 1. Set position, put it on the image 1, put it on the click or image 1, not on the image 2.
I did put it in image 1.
No, you didn't. That's the image 1. You have to go down. You need to move this line to here. So you have 2 on event. Delete the second on event for image 2. Okay, that's it. Try it. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay. We are over 9 o'clock, so that's it for today. But keep working hard, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good night then. Bye-bye.
Thank you.